Okay, I did a little bit of meditation, praying to the spelling deities, and ran up and down my staircase. I'm ready to be able to spell in this video. All right. Am I actually going to include that in the video, or am I going to restart this? Here we are. All right. So we're going to talk about misrepresenting graphs of data. So there's a lot of different ways that people stretch the truth or sometimes lie. We'll see a case of each in these graphs today, and it's important to be able to recognize it. There's a lot of subtle things that people will do to kind of try to nudge you in the direction that they want you. So in example 9.6, we have a pie chart, and it indicates the relative frequencies or percentages of preferred colors of crayons. And this picture, this pie graph, is deliberately incorrect. What's the inaccuracy? So you just take a moment, look at this, and figure out what is wrong. All right, so they're labeling it. Good. They're labeling the percent. Good. But the percents need to be the right size. 25% is a quarter of the circle. These are both 25%, but they're not the same, right? So these need to be the same. Magenta is not that popular. It looks real popular here. I love magenta. Maybe I'm the one that made this pie graph. And yeah, so it needs to be scaled to size, and it's not. So that's the answer here. You can write that down in whatever words that you want to, but this one is inaccurate. The next one, though, they're both accurate. It displays the SAT scores of 3 students, and each chart looks different. So there's a couple things that you might notice, like in this first chart, the differences between the SAT scores look bigger. In the second chart, also, you might think that the scores look smaller. Like in general, like people maybe did worse on this one, right? Better on this one. They're higher bars, right? But they're both accurate here. It's not like this one where they just lied. Oh, I didn't have my cursor up. It's not like this one where it just lied. They're both accurate, but they're misleading. And this is sometimes something that people also do, is they want to mislead you, depending on what their goals are. And so what's the difference? Well, the difference is the scale on the left and the scale, right? So here, this is counting by 600s. Here, this is counting by 1000s. And so the y-axis goes to much bigger numbers on the one on the right, okay? So that's why they look different. They're both correct, but they kind of push a different narrative. And so that's something to watch out for. That's all there is to this video. Enjoy a nice short one.